Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool Sublime, straight from Long Beach, Santeria. Alright, so to make it easy on beginners and everybody, let's put a capo on 4, please. So we got nice open chords, no bar chords. The song is in C shape. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. C, E7. First fret G, second fret A. A minor. First finger B, and 2D, 2G. To G major. 2, 3, pinky. Okay, so that's all the chords we need for verses, intro, and then we only need one more chord for the chorus, which is F major. I'll play F like this. First fret B, second fret G, and A string, D string 3. You can play it like this if you want. You can play it like this. Alright, so it starts with the same chords as the verses, but they're picking it. Like that. So we can pick 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, strum. Strums, down strokes. So pick 5 and on the G string, and then 2 strums, and then over the E7 pick 6, 4, 3, 2, 3 strum, and then over A minor pick the same way we did over C. And G, same way we picked over E7. It's just one time around. Alright, and then same chords. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, E7. F major, and we can switch the strumming. Oh, from C major we want to do a walk down to A minor. So C major, grab second fret, A string, just a single note to A minor. So C7, which is C major, add pinky on a 3rd fret G. Cool. So not too bad, right? With capo, without a capo, it's a lot of bar chords. So this is much better for beginners and acoustic. All right. So quick review: intro, C major, E7, A minor, G, picking, and then the verse starts. We do that reggae feel. Chorus, F major, G major, C, B over C, and A minor. And end with C7. Cool. Sublime, straight from Long Beach. See you tomorrow, guys. Be safe. Take it easy. Thank you.